What Richard required me to do was to clear my mind of any preconceptions of madness and really play the text for real, and the situations that Wozzeck is put into, just play it for real, as if it's a perfectly normal thing to happen, a normal day. So you don't come on, you know, bearing the vestiges of madness, you know, wide staring eyes or anything like that. You are just a normal person, slightly downtrodden or very downtrodden. But I think that's just a physical attitude rather than a mental state that you can portray to the audience. There are extremely difficult technical things to do, as you say, running across bean cans. I mean, if you can imagine, if the bean can is, 3 inches in diameter, you have to get your big fat foot and on top of the bean can and balance and sing and remember your lines and look at the conductor and portray whatever it is that you're trying to portray in that moment. And then, yeah, okay, killing someone, technically it is difficult because, of course, you want to portray to the audience that you are actually killing someone and that you know, this is going on. It's not a tricksy thing, it's a very sort of clinical death. And then, of course, killing yourself. You know, having to climb up into the top of a massive, great big box of beans, 40 or 50 foot from the conductor, 20 foot up in the air, and you can't really see the conductor from where you are. You're guessing. You're having to listen and listen very carefully. These things are incredibly difficult. But I mean, I think that's, if you've had any training, then you know how to get round those things. There's an awful lot of influences that are exposed and shown by the composer, and it's the most incredible score. And then finally, after Wozzeck has killed himself, Bear gives himself over to the most incredible interlude, the last before the final scene, which it's almost like your heart has been taken out of your body, and now he's just squeezing it for the last few drops of blood, and it is quite the most emotional experience. And then having just sort of died, and you know, vocally as well as physically, it was. I mean, I remember the first night coming down from the great box on stage and just shaking with a real sort of emotion, because I got through it, and I sung most of the right notes in the right order and most of the right words in the right order. But just, you know, witnessing this outpouring of emotion in the score, and the brilliant orchestra playing absolutely sublimely. It was an extraordinary experience, and one that I can't wait to relive.